I'm Adrian with the Physical Graffiti, Sedona, Arizona. This is Masako.
Hi,
And
the Chopper.
This is our old dog Chopper, and he is getting old, unfortunately. So yeah, we're going to continue on with the motorcycle build, and we are going to start with the mock-up and try to start getting the rolling chassis put together. And the rolling chassis is from Malibu Motorcycles in California, and we need to get the wheels installed, the brakes installed, the rotors, the want to try to get the tin on there and try to get the motor kind of mounted. It's just a mock-up. It's just to start the mock-up, just to see what we need to do. So we're a jumping off point to see, you know, what kind of wires we need to get and all that stuff.
Okay, okay. そう、バイクの組み立てのビデオです。今、エイドリアンが言ってたマリブ、カンパニー、カリフォルニアにあるマリブカンパニーから、前回、前のビデオでビデオを撮ってるんですけど、いろんなものを、部品を買って、タイヤとか、いろんな、パーツですね。それを今回組み立ててみました。マークアップなので、これからこんな形になるかなっていうのを考えた上でまた取り外して、ペンキとかを塗るらしいんですけど、ワイヤーとかを入れて、とりあえずマークアップで作ってみました。そこまでのビデオかな。You're taking a video. You took a video already. You're going to.
Yeah.
Okay. So これから映していきたいと思います。
Yeah. So yeah, we'll try to keep it short, and hopefully you can stay tuned to the end. And if
最後まで見てください。
yeah, hopefully you can stick around. Thanks for
Bye.
watching. Yeah.
just right enough to send you down the correct avenue. This is, although much less so at times, true with the others I referred to. They're very good at mechanical analyses of what is going on, and also of historical truths that relate to whatever is said. Comparison by Peter and John. Paul equates Sarah and Hagar as the two covenants in Galatians chapter 4, demonstrating how what Christ has done is superior to the Mosaic code. All of the time, expectation, and labors of starting out his life with his betrothed, and yet all of it will be taken from him. Verse 31, your ox shall be slaughtered before your eyes, but you shall not eat an animal. But it is one that provides a great deal of benefit. It is an easy mode of transportation. It is used for carrying heavy burdens. It can be used in plowing, and so on. To take the donkey is to deprive the man of the comfort. The symbol of Israel's king would be stripped from them and not restored to them. When he returns to the same word in the same form as is found in the prophetic verse of Isaiah 19 that anticipates the coming Messiah. There it says, and it will be for a sign and for a witness to the Lord of hosts in the land of Egypt. For they will cry to the Lord because of the oppressors, and he will send them a Savior and a mighty one, and he will deliver them. Israel would reject the Lord Jehovah. They would reject his incarnation in the person of Jesus, and their sheep would be taken from them. Well, leave these words. The very fruit of the womb and the continuance of the name will be taken from Israel for their failure to uphold and perform the word of the Lord. This idea of having instances of Jewish children being taken from their parents, even in Protestant countries. In such an occurrence, Moses woefully says, verse 32 continues, and your eyes shall look and fail with longing for them all day long. The idea of people simply sitting and staring comes to mind. It is like the young man.